We're supposed to go home, but then this fish.
Yeah. That means lots of fish. Oh wow. Woo! Whoa, that's wow. Woohoo! Hey! Woo! Good size. Woo! Boom! Hug your fish, boy. Whoa! Wow! Woo!
Sa zero ba?
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Kinisow chappur. Good day, good day. Ako mga kauban, no? Kasama ko, guys. Saya. Uwi na kami. Uwi na, ano. Sana kami, pero may ano pa, may kumobit. Thank you very much again, Sir Vitri. You're always welcoming me. You're always accepting my requests to go with you. And today I enjoyed very much. Woo! Thanksgiving Day. Thank you very much. And shout out to our principal, Chukhay, Mr. KS Sana, Vice Principal, Mr. Zoen Lucas, Miss Esther, shout out to all of you. Chukhay family, teachers, shout out, and also to Sir Vitri, of course, to our companion here, Mathew. And we know right now is, yeah, we're heading Bueno, but birds still ahead of us, so many. Sana! Looks like we're insulting the fish because his fish offer. Woohoo! Wow! Sweet, sweet! Wow. Look at those birds. Thank you, Lord. Kinisow chappur. Wow. They're both there.
That's sharp.
Wow! Woo!
Sarah? Yeah. Sarah was
Wow! Last fish! The biggest! Yeah. Woo! Yep. Thank you, thank you. Woo, washing. Those are the fish outside the boat.